kids!
Let's count together with animals. Ready? Let's go!
One
lion roars,
roar, roar, roar.
big and loud.
Can you roar some more?
Two monkeys swing,
Wee, wee, wee.
swinging high from a banana tree. Three birds fly, flap, 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 up in the sky with a happy clap. Four frogs jump, boing, 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 splash in the pond. Hear them sing. Five ducks quack, 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 waddle to the pond and flap right back. Count, count, count along, clap your hands and sing this song. Funny animals everywhere, let's all laugh and share. Six puppies bark, woof, 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 chasing tails, poof, poof, poof. Seven kittens meow, 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 purring and playing right here and now. Eight horses run, clip, clop, clop, galloping fast, they never stop. Nine bees buzz, 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 flying around. What fun it is! 10 elephants stomp, boom, 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 shaking the ground.